if we're going to experience lasting and sustainable change in our lives, we need to change our homes.
There are 9 areas of your life that correspond energetically to 9 areas in a room. And when you change those areas of the room, you change your life.
One place where we should always feel inspired, loved, peaceful, and at home is at home. Your home can be a source of support and a vehicle for transformation.
The other thing that's great is this bedroom's pretty clutter-free. There really isn't too much going on. It looks pretty good. I don't know, should we look? Should we look? Okay, we always have to peek at the closets. And yes, there's a little bit of clutter.
Clearing our clutter is the #1 change you can make in your home to change your life.